Hello, everybody. I just uh, after finishing the previous live, I came up with this idea that I want to try very quickly. That we put localhost, and perhaps we should put the IP. Let's try it. But as you can see, I tried to connect to the compute instance, and after 5 minutes, no answer was received. And I didn't stop the compute instance, as you saw. So let's try again. And it says the connection reset by peer. So let's see this, which is a nonsense because I want to document this. First, remember in July what happens 1 month ago. The compute instance was not able to be reached, wasn't reachable for about an hour, and it was very weird. And then a lot of DNS, internet related issues, a lot of internet interruptions, and I remember I ended installed Oracle Linux here for NWSL, you see, and we were not able to even retrieve the packages from the official repositories. So that was kind of, I don't know. And then again, this night after coming up with this idea, I was when I finished the previous live session, as you saw, there was a redirection at the end, uh, and I'm yet to research that part because I am a software developer. I am a computer programmer, uh, uh, and in the definition that Leslie Lamport says about it, and I don't get too much into networking. Uh, and I'm yet to see those DNS mappings. I'm not mad. I'm not crazy about it. If I have the time, I will do it. You can't know anything or everything. You can't know everything. Uh, but yeah, I wanted to also, besides what happened in July, that is on video, it was live. Now I wanted to try that quick, quick idea that came into my mind after finishing the session and going to have some rest for about 10 minutes and say why it works when it's localhost and the redirection goes well. Why it didn't work in the cloud? And I was thinking for a while that we put localhost and we also test the IP and the connection was successful when uh, when dealing with the very basic PHP code. So I wanted to came back and say, oh, we can delete the database and do the installation again with the IP. And just to find out that again, this thing is unreachable. This time I don't know the reason. It doesn't say anything. And mm, well, in here it passes 5 minutes. Well, now we are receiving uh, this error. You see, and we didn't even modify the IP tables information. So let us see how what 4 minutes. Yeah, we will give 10 minutes just to document this behavior of Oracle Cloud infrastructure, the free layer. We don't get to complain. We are on the free layer. If you are a paying customer and having this, I don't know. I will be very upset, you know, burning cash and receiving this quality of uh, service. But it's not on them. It's not on them. It's not on them. And I remember being seeing some interviews in which Larry Ellison talks about very good about Steve Jobs. So perhaps they were good friends and they follow the same principles that Apple. I don't know. They are a very successful company. So let's wait. My goodness. Saludos. My goodness. ¿Ya te vas? ¿Por qué? Ándale, a ver si la fuerza. Ay, che, Diego. ¿Y tú, Francisco, por qué no te saludaste? No, hagan lo que va. Ok. Ajá, caer. Okay, we have, I say hi to some nephews. Nephews. And yeah, look at this. And I remember I was telling you, Larry Ellison, the founder of Oracle, was saying that Steve Jobs was the Picasso of our time, a genius, and they took walks together. That's why if you know someone that you think very high, you think of that person in a high esteem, uh, and you respect that person, you want to take walks with that person because it's a natural way to share those ideas, time. So, and, you know, walking with people, with the people that you care. You know, it's a good thing. I have this desire of walking with one person because it was like looking up of that person. Uh, yeah, I'm telling you, I'll wait for this uh, beautiful heart. I better stop. So yeah, Oracle. Look at this. Quality of service is not on Oracle. They have high quality principles, guidelines, probably based on the HP way. You know, the tradition they did have back in the day. I never went there. I never has been in that region. I don't care going there. But you can learn by reading about this in the distance and say, oh, like, these guys have, at least in the past, great values. And there is still people, I better shut up. So let's wait. We are about to finish our session in about 1 minute and come back later at 9 p.m., at 10 and 10 p.m. until this thing works. And if it doesn't work tonight, maybe tomorrow, there's something happening in here that all of a sudden it will be fixed. I suppose. I don't know. And then we can uh, try, yeah, just try our little idea, just switching something, moving on up, and see if it works. Uh, but yeah, I won't be here the entire night. You know, I am not a stubborn person. Well, I don't know. And I would like to play the guitar. Perhaps at 9 p.m. I don't know. What else I can do in this hour? I have some. Perhaps we can do some Elixir, some Phoenix tutorial. But I have wrapped up those series, the Elixir and the Phoenix. We can do some, uh, spend some time reading about blogs on Phoenix Web Framework, or I don't know. I don't want to read about Java. I know Java, but yeah, there are things you can always read about computer science. Perhaps some mathematics for the million, recommended by in an interview. Also. Um, well, nothing happened. It is there on video. What do you think, guys, is happening? Let us see if I have internet. Yes, let's go back here. Yes, I do have internet. Let's wait 12 minutes. So if you are into fixing these networking issues and you want a challenge, you can take this video and say, hey, what's happening with this guy? Why is he always experimenting all sort of issues? And he just trying to, I don't know, just thinking out loud. Probably I will look into this, probably not. I don't want to spend more time with this. This thing is not going to work, I suppose. So let's wrap it up. No addendum. Uh, but eventually we will come back. We will come back. We always do. And try, and try, and try, and try. Tomorrow, tonight, the day after tomorrow, we will. Thank you very much. Have a good night and have a great week ahead. You know.